Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send messages to people on TikTok. It's not only regular people, you might be able to send messages to celebrities, and this is something that a lot of people are not familiar with. But there is a small catch: you can only send up to 3 messages without they replying to you, and then you're gonna be banned. Let me show you. So if you come over here on TikTok, right, and let's say we want to message Gary V, right? You search for Gary V, you found Gary V, and Gary V has this function on his profile where you can actually send him a message. You see the message button. You want to click on message, and then all you gotta do is tap and start and ask him whatever you want. The small issue that I mentioned earlier is that there is a special note above his profile. It says that you could only send up to 3 messages to Gary V or to anybody else until they accept your message request. Meaning, you have 3 chances to get their attention and to get their engagement and feedback. If not, you're not going to be able to message them from this account anymore. So, this is a very important heads up. Whatever you want to share with them, a business plan, a pitch, ask them for favor, or offer them a collaboration or business proposition, you want to be straight to the point, and you want to make sure that they see what you really try to say. If you send 3 random messages, hi, how are you, I like your videos, right, you're done. They're not going to reply to you, and you're not going to be able to message them anymore. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.